The Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya Prestone Tynsong, in conversation with members of the press on Wednesday, had spoken about the relocation of settlers of Sweeper Lane at Them Ïew Mawlong. Tynsong said that the relocation site will be finalized after a blueprint of the location has been submitted by the Urban Affairs Department to the government. He added that several locations are under scanner so as to enable the government to accommodate all 342 households of the Sweeper Lane.
พี่อย่างนี้กระดังดนบุญกอบสุดพี่นำมาหาประคับโดยกลงเราได้เจี๊ยบงิมละบันองมันไอชิจกาtinggal masih hapnya pek katukan di sini kadang melomba ngin hap adjust kan balak bani piang ke Shillong betang ta ten raya kan ni kampat de ka final mo pi haduk bangan ayo ya ka blueprint na kalian job Urban Affairs Department ani la yo ka ta te mo ngalala ban patai pi ba kumtangin le